Hello everyone, welcome to American Furniture Warehouse. My name is Kelsey and I'm a visual designer. Today we're going to be talking about using mirrors to decorate and adding function to a room. Mirrors are a great way to open up a space and they're a great way to decorate. This mirror over here has the same type of curvature as our Magnolia headboard. The distressing is also the same and that ties in with our artwork right here. In this artwork we also have some reflective elements that tie the room together as a whole. Another way to spice up your room is to add a leaner mirror. So a leaner mirror gives you elongation in a room. It has a lot of surface area to reflect a lot of visual aspects. But you can also hang them above a fireplace or on a wall to give your room a different style or look. And you don't have to limit yourself to one mirror per room. Adding multiple mirrors to a space is a great way to brighten up the room and is a really fun way to decorate. In reflection of our design tips today, mirrors are a functional piece to add to your home and a fun way to decorate. You can find your style, selection, and value right here at American Furniture Warehouse.